Subaru, there's always been a little bit of interest in the capabilities of off-road use. And we had an idea of, there's a kit, an LP adventure kit that gives you the lift. So we toyed with the idea of, putting one on a Crosstrek just to see what it would interest as far as like the level of customers coming in, seeing it visually to see if there was some sort of, good response to it. We sold that within probably the first week. And we said, oh, we might have something here. There's an interest here. So we decided to put a lift on a Forester and an Outback as well. And since then, we sold all of them.
I have actually a couple senior master techs that do all the lift kits and tire wheel packages for us. In addition to the lift packages and off-road packages, we also do exhaust back, cat converter, basically back exhaust packages on WRX, STI. We try to keep nothing that's gonna not validate their warranty with Subaru.
When the guys up front asked me about the LP Adventure lift kits, I thought it was a great idea. We can get lifts, wheels, and tire packages, light kits, roof racks, whatever you want to modify your Subaru, we can get it for you.
Here at Patriot, it's if you have an idea, you can go to somebody, you can explain your idea, they'll think about it, and then we run with it. If somebody's interested in having one built, custom built on a new car or a used car, we can do that. If they're interested in doing it themselves, we can actually talk to them and explain to them what we do and what's available out there, and we go through parts. And basically we can tailor what they want, from ride height to tire size to tire color to lug nut color. We can do everything.